Qualifying was an interesting affair, with some novices like the Italian lady Giovanna Amati and her. Indeed, Senna, who had a major accident here in '91, hit the bump on Friday and lost control. Chaos reigned as Karl Wendlinger hit Capelli's Ferrari and sent him into the wall.
Corner, and then I thought, right, he's speeding up to go out of the way in the other corner, and he pulled right over to the right, and I had enough.
I know when we were both going slow, so I don't know what happened with him. We never touch, you know, but of course something went wrong for him and he probably lost the car.
His attempt to deal with Alesi in the same way ended like this. Alesi's acrobatics cost him his tyres, and he had to call in to change them. Race. He was to mark up the Williams team's first retirement of the season. Closing on Häkkinen to lap him, he lost it. And Häkkinen was the culprit again. Schumacher tried everything he knew to pass Brundle, but on lap 19 he overdid it in the double left-handed Ravazza corner. But he was in no mood to repeat it with Berger, involved in a rather destructive fratricidal tussle over 12th place.
Patrese, but we all know that it's very dirty inside, and if you go brake later, it is a good chance to go straight over the thing, and that's exactly what's happened. He tried to overtake.
Crash with Senna. You once again. Here's the crash from another angle. On the next lap, Belgian Eric van der Poel made a mess out of his debut for the Von Metal team. Situation dramatically. If Mansell stayed third, he would be champion. If Patrese got back into the points, Mansell would have to pass Senna. Consequences just 2 laps later. Thankfully, Schumacher was unhurt. Berger saw it this way.
I couldn't say that it was my fault, I couldn't say it was Ricciardo's fault, because the last time when I looked at the mirror it was quite a big gap still. And then I just entered the pits, and just when I was already near the entry.
Was fastest again, despite this spin. It was his 12th pole of the season, inspired no doubt by the presence of and promptly collected the luckless Martini into an early retirement. Mauricio Gugelmin's season ended less than ideally, with brake failure on the Jordan. And here's what Nigel Mansell made of it all.